dumating ang panahong pinakaihintay ng aking pamilya.
Mama! Nalo ang mama niyo sa kaso.
The character of a woman who was the subject of a sexual assault is of minor significance in the determination of the guilt or innocence of the person accused of having committed the offense. This is so because even a prostitute or a woman of ill repute may become a victim of said offense. Wherefore, the petition is granted. The decision of the Court of Appeals dated January 8, 1998 in CAGR SP number 44180 is reversed. The CEC resolution numbers 966213 and 972423 are affirmed, subject to the modification that Respondent Melencio Morales is suspended from office without pay for 1 year, with full credit of his preventive suspension. So ordered.